Hey everyone, it's Lisa from the blog farmhouseonboone.com, and today I want to show you how to make a super easy snack. It is my 5-ingredient chocolate orange bars. All right, so it is nap time here and everyone's kind of down in their places. Not everyone's sleeping because that's typical for us. And when the kids wake up, a lot of times they like a snack. Now we don't always have a snack, but sometimes we do. We'll have granola or fruit. This is something that is a special treat. There are several variations of how you can make it. So you can make this plain without any extra flavoring. You can make it orange, you can make it peppermint. So let's get started. The first step is gonna be to add equal parts of pecans and dates. Now for today, I'm gonna do 2 cups of each. 2 cups of pecans. And 2 cups of dates. Now you can also use walnuts, macadamia nuts. There are so many ways you can make this simple recipe of basically fruit and nuts and then some kind of extra flavoring. Always turns out delicious no matter what way you do it. But in my experience, equal parts of nuts and a dried fruit is perfect. I just added a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. Now this just helps to bring everything together and keep the bars nice and hard once they're refrigerated. It helps to keep them in a nice bar shape. Then I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Anything sweet just needs a little salt. It just tastes so much better. And then for today's version, we're gonna do some orange essential oil. You can't take all oils internally. There are certain ones that you can, certain grades of oils. I have a lot more information about that in my free essential oils class that you can watch. It's a video I have. You can find that in the description below if you have not yet seen that one. I will link it so you can check it out so you know more about this, cooking with oils and which oils you can use. But I'm just gonna add about 2 drops. Now you can experiment with this. If it's too orangey, you can do 1 drop, but essential oils are really strong, so you might think that that's not gonna do much for the flavor. Trust me, it does. We make a version with peppermint sometimes, and just 1 drop makes the whole batch super candy cane peppermint strong. Now I'm just gonna put the lid on my food processor and chop it up until everything is smooth and incorporated. Okay, now that it's come together like this, you can easily press it together. That's about the size you want everything. I'm gonna pour it in a glass baking dish, a small size, so not the full 9 by 13, but just a smaller one. Smells so delicious and orange. Perfect for the holiday season. Okay, then I'm just going to press it pretty hard so that it all comes together. Okay, now I'm just gonna throw this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes or until it's really hard. Some more variations you can do with this recipe is you could put in some organic dark chocolate chunks. That's delicious. Like I said before, you can make it plain, you can make it without cocoa and add some vanilla. You can do a combination of cashews, raisins, dates. The possibilities are endless. One of my favorite is dates, pecans, peppermint essential oil, and salt and cocoa. Oh man, that's so good. Tastes like a candy cane. I'm gonna get this in the refrigerator and then cut it into bars whenever it's done cooling. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you and your family enjoy this delicious recipe with so many variations. Head on over to the blog where I have a blog post on this recipe as well as some of the variations so that you can save it, print it, and make this as a healthy snack for your family, a year-round perfect treat. All right, well, if you are brand new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living, and a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.